So if you are a business owner or entrepreneur and you are keen and really trying to get yourself media coverage, there are a few things that you can do to help yourself. One, you need to look at setting yourself apart from the rest. What is it and why should anyone care about your story? Sounds harsh, but it's really, really a key point. Also you want to look for media hooks. Now, media hook is something that you can kind of pin your story to. So for example, like if you check out some of the hashtags or what's happening this month, I've got a media events and kind of hashtag kind of holidays calendar. So like for example, if you've got something in the new year, in January it's lots of things going on about New Year's Day and the fact that it's all about getting back into fitness. There's things called Cheese Lovers Day in January. There's a hat day, so if you're a hat maker, there's things to tie on to. So it's literally a day for nearly everything. Okay, so I've got a calendar that you guys can download if you're interested. Okay, you can sign up and get that free download, and it will give you a list of different kind of hashtags and some of the key kind of holidays that you could be pinning your story to get picked up. So do check that out below, and if you'd like more advice and tips, then do sign up for emails and check out my DIY PR course. Okay, cheers.